Aquaphor Baby Skincare Essentials Gift Set with Baby Wash and Shampoo, Healing Ointment, and Diaper Rash Cream, Baby Gifts for New Moms, 3 pieces. Welcoming a newborn is a joyful journey, but it also comes with the responsibility of choosing safe, gentle skincare. The Aquaphor Baby Skincare Essentials Gift Set offers a trio of products designed to protect, soothe, and nourish your baby's delicate skin. Ideal for new moms, this set includes a baby wash and shampoo, healing ointment, and diaper rash cream, all infused with chamomile to calm sensitive skin. The Aquaphor Baby Skincare Essentials Gift Set is a thoughtfully curated collection of 3 hypoallergenic products tailored for newborns and infants. 1. Baby Wash and Shampoo, Chamomile Scent. 2. Healing Ointment. 3. Diaper Rash Cream. Types of Aquaphor Baby Products. While the gift set includes 3 essentials, Aquaphor offers a full range. 1. Baby Lotions, for daily moisturizing. 2. Baby Oil, for gentle massage. 3. Baby Wipes, fragrance-free and pH-balanced. Benefits of using the Aquaphor Baby Gift Set. 1. Prevents dryness, the ointment and cream lock in moisture. 2. Soothes irritation, chamomile reduces redness and discomfort. 3. Saves time and money, no need to buy separate products. 4. Travel-friendly, compact sizes fit in diaper bags. Perfect gift for new moms. With its gentle formulas and proven results, it's a must-have for protecting your baby's delicate skin. Whether you're a new mom or shopping for one, this set is a thoughtful, practical choice. Don't forget to share the love and subscribe my channel.